TR here. This video will help you successfully complete the assignment MyFitnessPlan. Let's take a look at the content. Click on Content. It will take us to a window like this. We scroll to the top of the navigation bar. We'll see that we're looking for Module 4, Physical Wellness Skills, Exercise and Sleep, and the content page is Assignment MyFitnessPlan. The content page looks like this. If we scroll and read, you're now going to use the concepts you've learned in this unit, which means you have to read all the content pages. And it's going to help you consider your current health, create personal health goals, create a fitness plan. The fitness plan is going to look like this. It has 3 parts. The first part is understanding the wellness principles, creating a SMART goal, and creating a 7-day fitness plan. Your link will take you to this web page, which explains what a SMART goal is. And I'll let you look at that carefully to help you understand what you need to create. Back to the content page. Part 2 is the application. Part 3 is the analysis. This link here takes you to an excellent template that will help you because it is organized in the manner of the assignment expectations. The Part 1 is understanding. Part 2, the application. Part 3, the analysis. An excellent organizational tool. Back to the content. Here we have a link to the marking rubric. Once you click on this link, it will take you to this Word document, and it very clearly shows you that I will be marking it based on the understanding, the application, the analysis, and communication skills that you bring. When you're finished with your submission, which you will put in a folder that you've titled Calm, you're going to select the assignments. You click on the assignments link here in their nav bar. It will take you to this window. This window is the assignment submission folder. We're going to scroll down to MyFitnessPlan. We open up MyFitnessPlan and we see this page. You will see a link, a button link called Add a File. Click on this Add a File button, and then you will have to locate your file, which should be in your Calm folder. And then once you've added it, then you need to click Submit, and then it's in the folder in which I look at so I can mark it. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, as always, please use your private discussions, and good luck. All the best. Take care.